Hello students, I hope everything is going well. Everywhere the final examination is going on. As SEE examination knocking on the door, okay? If you are facing the difficulties while solving the mathematical problems, please share your difficulties with me in my comment box. Okay, write the question there so that I can prepare the solution, okay, and make the videos in upcoming solution in my upcoming videos, and it will be helpful for you. Thank you. Here, according to this question, okay, the left hand side is given cos power 6 alpha plus sine power 6 alpha, okay, then we can express it into cube. Then we can write here cos square alpha whole cube plus sine square alpha whole cube. As we know that a cube plus b cube, this is a and this is b, okay, then first of all write them. A means cos square alpha plus b means there sine square alpha, okay. Then we know now a square means a right here cos square alpha, then it's whole square, okay, minus will be here, then right there cos square alpha is a into sine square alpha, this ab, then we can write there plus this is cos square alpha and sine square alpha, then plus b square means there sine square alpha, then its square, okay. Then as we know that cos square alpha plus sine square alpha means 1, we can write 1, and we know the formula of, okay, this is a square and this b square, suppose, then a square plus b square, we have the formula right here also. A means cos square alpha plus here b means sine square alpha here whole square, a plus b whole square. We know the formula of this one, look here, a square plus b square equals to, we have formula there, a plus b whole square minus 2ab. This formula we are using here, this formula here, a plus b whole square, then minus 2, a means there cos square alpha into sine square alpha, and here was already minus cos square alpha into sine square alpha, it was already there, okay. And we have already opened the formula of this cos square alpha whole square plus sine square alpha whole square. It is the formula of this a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Then it is already here minus cos square alpha into sine square alpha already there. Then we wrote the same. Then now look here, this 1 multiply this will be same. And again here is cos square alpha plus sine square alpha. That's why we have to write here 1. Again square there is. And we know these two terms are like terms. We can add them. 2 cos square alpha sin square alpha, and here is cos square alpha sin square alpha. That means right here 3 cos square alpha into sin square alpha, okay. And right here, and now look here children, this 1 square means 1 only, and this is 3, and if we had here 4 and then here also 4, then it could come this in this formula. Look, we could write there 2 sine alpha into cos alpha whole square. Because this is 2 square means 4, that's why we need here 4. Right here sine square first into cos square alpha, then 1 minus, then we can write this 3 by 4, and we can write this 2 sine alpha into cos alpha whole square. Okay, when you remove this bracket, then it will come 4 sine square alpha into cos square alpha. Then right here 1 minus 3 by 4, and this is in sine 2 alpha then whole square, because as I have written in first also, 2 sine alpha cos alpha means sine 2 alpha, that we have written as sine 2 alpha and whole square here. Then now, then look here. Okay, see here. After this now, right, equals to here, and this, if you take LCM here, you will get here 4 LCM, then 4 ones are 4 will be here, minus this is 3, and remove this bracket, then it will come sine square 2 alpha. Okay, then again write here 4 minus 3, and we require the answer in cos. Here, look here, our answer has come into sine. As we know that from the lower classes, we know sine square alpha, this 2 alpha is taken as alpha, then sine square alpha means we can write it 1 minus cos square 2 alpha. Okay, this we can write, and write here 1 by 4, because this 4 is the common denominator. Then right here now, children, 1 by 4, then we can write it 4 minus 3, minus here is plus 3 cos square 2 alpha. Okay, as we know that, look here, 4 minus 3 is there, then we can write here 1 plus 3 cos, okay, square 2 alpha. Okay, then see here, children, here it has come 3 cos square 2 alpha. Yes, I want to show you here, this formula you have already used. Then look here, for the easiness of this formula, okay, for the use of this formula, as we know that, look here, cos 2 alpha means we had formula there, 2 cos square alpha minus 1. Okay, then when 1 comes here, it will be 1 plus cos 2 alpha. Then this 2 comes down here, and here remains only cos square alpha. Okay, that is why, okay. Now look here, when cos square alpha here is 1 plus cos 2 alpha by 2, okay, then this is also already used. Okay, this one is a 1, okay, and we took here LCM 4, and this was 3 sine square. Okay, it was correct here one. This also write as sine square, this okay, this is the square of sine 2, and this is here 2x. Okay, and its whole upon is 4. Here we have taken LCM. Now what I had told here, this cos square alpha means 1 plus cos 2 alpha by 2, and same thing apply here also, 1 by 4, write this 1 plus 3, write same, and in place of this cos square 2 alpha, look here is cos square alpha, then it will be 1 plus cos 2 alpha. Here is alpha only, but here is 2 alpha, but if here is 2 alpha, then here will be, it's double. Okay, that's why right here 1 plus cos 4 alpha by 2 will be here. Okay, and curl bracket close, and then now take the LCM here also. Here is long line draw here, right? 2, then 2 ones are 2 right here, plus, and when you remove this bracket, it will be here 3 plus 3 into cos 4 alpha means 3 cos 4 alpha. Then 1 remain 1 only here. If you multiply 4 to the, it will be here 8. And right here 2 plus 3 is 5 plus 3 cos 4 alpha. Okay. See here the result now. This result and this result same or not? Yes, it is same. Now we can write it 1 by 8. Then we can use a small bracket plus 3 cos 4 alpha. This is our right hand side. Then we can tell it our question is proved. Okay, that we got here cos square cos power 6 alpha, cos to the power 6 alpha plus sin to the power 6 alpha has given 1 by 8 into 5 plus 3 cos 4 alpha. Like this we find this value. Okay, like this we solve this question and prove it. Okay, today this much only. Thank you very much. Keep watching School Mathematics.